Hello and welcome to this video. In this one, I'm going to tell you the differences between WordPress and Clickfunnels. Recently, I got a question from someone asking me what's the difference, Nick? Can you explain? And I thought I will make this video now show you what you should go with. Maybe you're on the fence deciding whether to create a website on WordPress or to create a funnel in Clickfunnels. And if you don't know the difference between funnels and websites, definitely check out the link here or here. There should be a link to the video where I explain the differences between funnels and websites and which one should you use. And in this one, if you see in my computer here, I have WordPress versus Clickfunnels, and we're going to go through the presentation here. So I'm going to start with WordPress, and WordPress is a CMS, which means it's a content management system. So you have content that you want to put on your website, and you're going to use WordPress in order to structure that content. So maybe you are going to build a blog, and I have a blog myself. It's .comengine.com, so there should be a link below to the blog and then to the funnel that I'm going to show you further in the video. And stay till the end. I'm going to show you a couple of bonuses, like if you want to go with WordPress or ClickFunnels and you're going to sign up with my links, I'm going to show you, because I'm an affiliate marketer, I'm going to give you some bonuses so that you get more out of your experience with these both. Okay, so you're going to have articles maybe on your blog, and you're going to use WordPress to just structure your posts. So you're going to have a system which is the backend, the backend of your store, of your online website is through WordPress or maybe through ClickFunnels. So that's what a content management system is. And WordPress is only this. It's only a content management system and a system to publish your articles. And now the ClickFunnels is a software as a service. So it includes everything. It's an all-in-one software that includes things like hosting, domains, email marketing, affiliate software, sales funnel builder. So they took the WordPress version and they made their own system that includes all the additional features all the additional tools that you're gonna need, and they put it all in a software. So software as a service, that's abbreviated would be SaaS. Okay, and now if we're going to talk about technical knowledge and skills, because most people are afraid to start a website because it takes skills. You need to be a programmer, you need to go through 4 years of college, like I did, for example. And it's not like this. Nowadays you can create a website in 10 minutes or 30 minutes depending on what you're using. And if you're gonna go with ClickFunnels, it's very beginner friendly. It was made for entrepreneurs, for those who want to start a business but don't want to go with programmers and designers. So if you're gonna use ClickFunnels, it's very beginner friendly, and they have all these pre-made templates. So you're gonna need additional themes, additional tools. You just sign up for that software and you could have your your website, your funnel ready in 10 minutes. So the second thing about WordPress, you're gonna need some skill, because it wasn't made it's a little bit older than ClickFunnels, because WordPress appeared I don't know when actually, but it's probably more than 10 years old, while ClickFunnels is 5 years old. And the difference is WordPress is gonna be a dashboard, and you're gonna need things like hosting. You're gonna set up your hosting, you're gonna set up your domains, set up a theme, and then if you're gonna want additional features, you're gonna need to install plugins. So it's all built on plugins in WordPress, while in ClickFunnels it's all in one. You can just click, it's drag and drop, and you're just clicking buttons. And when it comes to price, you get what you pay for. So ClickFunnels is $97 per month, and they have a bigger plan for $297, which includes some additional softwares if you're more advanced. While WordPress is free. So the content management system WordPress, you're gonna need hosting and domains to install it on your hosting, this content management system, and then you're gonna be able to use it, and it's free to use. It's an awesome software, but you're still gonna need a lot of time to set it up, and that's where the opportunity cost comes in. And if you've been following me, you know what opportunity cost is. It's something that you need to give up in order to achieve something else. So you're gonna give up a lot of time and maybe focus, energy to build a website in WordPress, while with ClickFunnels you can have it ready, I told you, in 10 minutes. If you want something complicated, it's not gonna take more than a day, but this is the cash machine, something that would bring cash in your business if you're selling a product online, but we're gonna get to that. Okay, so when it comes to SEO is search engine optimization. So WordPress is really optimized for search engines. So if you want to have a blog and you want it to rank on Google, or you have maybe a product that you're selling and you want that page to rank for specific keywords in Google, you're going to use WordPress because it's optimized for that. And it's easy to rank in search engines, but depending on which keyword you're using, like it can be super hard. Like some keywords, like nowadays, there's so many competitors that you're gonna need like 6 months or a year, or maybe you will never be able to rank for that specific keyword. Like you'll never be able to rank for a keyword like, I don't know, Google, or something like people use like that has a lot of search volume. Search volume means like how many people would go to Google and enter that specific keyword. Okay, and then ClickFunnels is not optimized for SEO because it was made mainly for like getting traffic with paid ads and with social media. So you would get like your social media platform set up, and then you would get your advertising campaigns on Facebook and Google, and then you would drive people to that funnel so that they come and buy, because it was optimized for selling a product. So this is where we come to selling online. So if you're gonna want to sell your product, and that's what I'm teaching on this channel, like I'm teaching you how you can sell a product. You can sell a physical product, or you can sell a digital product, you can sell other people's products. You're gonna want to use ClickFunnels, and that's the truth, because if you're gonna go with WordPress, it's gonna be like a pain actually. Like I'm gonna tell you like the ROI that I got with WordPress, because I've been using WordPress for maybe like 3 years now. And like the ROI for WordPress, I didn't get any ROI. Like it was like everything that I invested, like that's what I got back. So it's like a zero ROI. So I didn't lose money, but I didn't make money. While with ClickFunnels, I'm gonna tell you, I started using ClickFunnels maybe a year ago. But seriously, like I started using it like every single day in November 2018, and like I got a 30x ROI. Like what I invested in ClickFunnels, like I still pay like $100 per month, and like what I paid for ClickFunnels and what I got back, because it's such a powerful software, and it also has the affiliate program. Like you can sell your own product, or you can sell ClickFunnels itself to business owners, because it's powerful. It's like the next version of a website are funnels, and that's what ClickFunnels allows you to build. So if you want to build a website, you're gonna use like WordPress. If you want to build a funnel, which is the thing that will generate the most cash in your business, probably it's ClickFunnels. And like you can see this t-shirt, like this is the funnel hacker hashtag from the ClickFunnels community. So if you're using ClickFunnels, you're a funnel hacker. I'm not. If I would have the t-shirt with WordPress, I would wear that as well, but I don't. They don't give free t-shirts. But with ClickFunnels, like they are gonna give you a free t-shirt like this just for using the software. Okay, an additional setup needed. So for WordPress, you're gonna need, as I mentioned, hosting. You're gonna need domain names. You're gonna need to install WordPress on your hosting. Then you're gonna need themes and plugins if you want additional features. While with ClickFunnels, you're gonna have all in one. So you're not gonna need hosting because it's a software as a service. So you're gonna just sign up for the software, and hosting is included in that price. So you're gonna get, like, for example, the basic plan for $97 per month. You're gonna already have hosting. So you only need to, like, if you wanna have a website that collects leads, for example, that collects emails, then you're just gonna select a template, and you're not gonna need to set up additional things. So you're gonna have that template ready, and you can just send traffic to that template, and you're gonna be able to collect emails, and then you're gonna like contact your leads afterwards and like offer them your product. While and about the domain names, so ClickFunnels gives you one free domain name. So if you're using ClickFunnels and you don't have a domain name yet, you can just go to domains and then like choose your name, maybe like your name. For example, my domain in ClickFunnels is nickursu.com. So that's my domain. Maybe yours will be like johnsmith.com. Okay, so when it comes to themes, in WordPress you're gonna need themes. And this is actually a part of my bonus. Like you can, you're gonna see like in the next slide, the bonus that I'm gonna give you. You're gonna sign up with hosting, that's what you need. Then I'm gonna give you a theme so that you have like shorter period of time of getting your website running, because the theme that I'm gonna give you is like $250, but I'm gonna give it to you for free, and all you have to do to join my group, and that's where you're gonna like get your hosting, and then like I'm gonna have someone set up your theme. And for ClickFunnels, it's all built with sections, with rows, and with blocks, elements. So you're not gonna need themes. You can build any website out there without a theme in ClickFunnels. Okay? So is ClickFunnels worth it? Because as you can see, the price different. Like the price gap is like $97. So it's because they're gonna offer you a lot of free educational materials. Like that's where I learned a lot of what I know about online marketing, about digital marketing. That's where the trend is nowadays. Like everyone knows that the people they want to get to buy their stuff are online. They're using these social media platforms every single day. So they're gonna teach you how you can use these people like that are online to come to your funnels like for free, just for using the software, because they want to educate you on how you can get your successful business online. Okay, and then if you're gonna want to have membership sites, that's where the real money is. Like you're gonna have like maybe per month, like a monthly payment to be a part of this membership site, and that's where you're gonna put like your, maybe you are an expert and you're gonna make your own course, and you don't want to use like expensive software because there are so many out there, but like they're charging you a lot. So you're gonna have membership sites included in your any plan in the ClickFunnels. Then if you are running webinars, like you're teaching people about the things that you're doing, then this is included in ClickFunnels as well. And sales funnels, like the process, if you don't know what a sales funnel is, then check out the other videos in my channel. Like I explained a couple of times what a sales funnel is. There should be links below as well. And then payment processors, like if you want to integrate, for example, PayPal or Stripe or BlueSnap or 2Checkout, I don't know, maybe ClickBank. There's so many payment processor. It's really easy to do in ClickFunnels. These are called integrations. So you're going to integrate the payment processor with your ClickFunnels account, and then you're going to be able to charge people's credit cards. So for example, you're going to have a product that costs like $297 maybe, and you're going to integrate your payment processor. You're going to tell people like why it's worth it, and you're going to be able to charge their cards and make money online. That's what ClickFunnels is about. And if you're gonna want to have a blog, then for blogs I recommend WordPress. WordPress is more optimized for having your blogs out there. Like you're gonna just post your text, your like copy of your blog, and then your videos, images, and like in the backend of your WordPress, and it's gonna show up in your theme, on your hosting, using WordPress. Well, you can build a blog in ClickFunnels as well, but it's gonna be a lot harder because it's not really optimized for blogs. And like the last thing are bonuses. Like as I promised you, bonuses for signing up either with like the hosting that I recommend for, and the one that I'm using for my blog .com-engine.com is Bluehost, and there should be a link below. So if you're gonna sign up with that link and join my group, that's where you'll be able to claim bonuses. So you're gonna just join my group and you're gonna tell me, hey, I sign up with Bluehost with your link, and like I want that free theme. So that's where I'm gonna have somebody like my assistant who will just log into your hosting and install that theme, and you'll be able to use it. It's the exact same theme that I have on my blog .com-engine.com, and you'll be able to use it. It looks really pretty and professional. Okay, and then for ClickFunnels, like if you want to see the bonuses that I give for ClickFunnels, you can see like the link that I have here, nicours.com/bonuses. You see like it's a lot of free courses, like courses from my mentor Sebastian Gomez, and like software. From me, I have a software. It's all in my group. Like you should join the group below. There are posts like the daily things that I do in order to generate income online. So that's what this channel is about. That's what I'm teaching you. So definitely consider joining the group. It's a mastermind. So it's not only me telling you what to do. There are other people networking and like sharing ideas and tips. And there are links below for everything that I mentioned for Bluehost, for ClickFunnels. If you're gonna sign up, then you can join the group and claim your bonuses. So other than that, I hope you got a ton of value from this video, and like you can share it, like it. If you have any questions, definitely comment below. Subscribe to the channel, as I'll be posting more like updates and reviews of softwares that I'm using like to generate income online. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.